Did you know that a small dash cam could be the peace of mind you didn't know you needed on the road? Whether it's capturing unexpected bumps in a parking lot or sending an emergency SOS, the Nextbase Piqo 1K Smart Dash Cam claims to offer all this and more in a compact package. So, is it the right choice for your vehicle? Let's dive into the details. Welcome to Autovated. Today we're reviewing the Nextbase Piqo 1K Smart Dash Cam, designed to deliver 1080p ultra-wide HD footage with smart parking, emergency SOS features, and more. Let's break down what this little device brings to the table, what users are saying, and whether it's worth your investment. The Nextbase Piqo 1K is a compact and feature-packed dash cam, delivering sharp 1080p HD video at a wide 140-degree viewing angle. Not only does it capture your drives in high definition, but it also includes advanced features like smart parking and emergency SOS. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS connectivity, the Piqo locks footage in case of collisions and automatically records any bumps or hits while you're away, notifying you when you return to your parked car. So, what do these features actually mean for you? Let's get into it. First, smart parking is one of the standout features. It's designed to automatically record any bumps or hits when your car is parked, alerting you when you're back. This can be incredibly helpful for those moments when you return to find a minor scratch or dent on your car, and it's all captured, ready to support your claim. Another great feature is the emergency SOS system. If you're in a serious accident, the Piqo sends your GPS location and critical details to emergency services, an invaluable safety net for peace of mind. The witness mode light adds another layer of security, letting you activate an instant SOS notification to a loved one simply by saying, "Nexi, start witness mode." Whether you're in a stressful situation or need backup on the road, this feature is a potential lifesaver. And then there's Guardian Mode Light, which lets you set speed or location limits for others driving your car, saving evidence and alerting you if those limits are breached. This feature is great for parents or anyone lending their vehicle to others. Pros: the ultra-wide HD view, smart parking feature, and an emergency SOS are standout benefits, ensuring that you have solid protection during and after your drive. The real-time tracking via Wi-Fi and GPS is also a helpful addition. Plus, the compact size means it's a great fit for a variety of vehicles without being intrusive. Cons: while the Piqo 1K has impressive features, it's worth noting that smart parking requires additional accessories like the Quick Connect or Pro Install cable, which are sold separately. Also, while it offers excellent features for the price, it lacks some advanced options seen in higher-end models, like 4K recording or more customizable video settings. When it comes to value for money, the Nextbase Piqo 1K is a solid choice for anyone looking for reliable, simple protection on the road without breaking the bank. The extra features like smart parking and emergency SOS really set it apart from entry-level dash cams, but it may not offer the bells and whistles of more expensive models. Now, comparing this dash cam to competitors, it holds its ground. Brands like Garmin and Vantrue offer similar models, but the Nextbase Piqo 1K excels in its compact design and smart parking features. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still packed with useful features, this could be a great option. If this review is steering you in the right direction, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more tech reviews to keep your car and your wallet in the fast lane. Build quality on the Piqo 1K is what you'd expect from Nextbase, robust with a sleek, modern finish. While there's not a lot of long-term data available for this specific model, Nextbase has a solid reputation for producing reliable, durable dash cams. Based on industry trends and the brand's past products, the Piqo 1K is expected to hold up well with regular use. As for customer support, Nextbase has a reputation for responsive service. However, as of now, I haven't had to personally test their support team, but the general consensus from users is positive. This product is perfect for daily commuters, drivers who park in busy or high-risk areas, and anyone who values having added security without needing an overcomplicated system. It's also a good choice if you're looking for something compact and easy to install. To wrap things up, the Nextbase Piqo 1K Smart Dash Cam is a strong option if you're after a reliable, compact dash cam with extra safety features like smart parking and emergency SOS. While it's not the most advanced model on the market, it offers a great balance of price, quality, and features for most everyday drivers. Thanks for watching. Links to the product mentioned are in the comments and description below if you want to check them out. If you already own the Nextbase Piqo 1K, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, keep your drive autovated.